Course, no cyber protection management software would be complete without alerts. We have over 150 triggers for different alerts on your machines with the agent. Things such as backup failed, machine is offline, test failover failure, activity succeeded with warnings. We'll see that a lot when something is just slightly configured incorrectly. To find more information on the alerts, you can click on the alert, and once it comes up, there we go. So once that alert comes up, you can click Create Ticket if you have the PSA tool, Advanced Automation with Acronis. You can send that ticket to be investigated, or you can click Get Support. Depending on the alert, there'll be information and details on what's going on with that alert. Here we go, Show Activity. So you can see here some information about what's going on with the alert. Failed to collect metadata for MySQL database model application. You can also show details, view all properties, and see more information. If you're dealing with support, they may want this kind of information to view and see what's going on with the errors. And of course, if you click Get Support, it'll take you to creating a ticket. But you also have the ability to look at a knowledge base. Oh, looks like it's not going to log me in right away. Okay, there we go. So yeah, there's some information that it gives you, but since you're in here in the knowledge base, you can also type in information such as um, update a role not communicating, um, agent or say back up failed and things like that. And then over here on the right hand side, you can see what product you're using, which is Cyber Protect Cloud. And then you can see there's a lot of articles on backup failed. So sometimes you have to be a little more specific. The other place that you can work through alerts is through reports. So we actually have an alerts summary report that you can customize, add widgets, download. You can schedule out reports on a regular basis, daily, monthly, hourly, with a range. You can also immediately send the report out to somebody. You can also export and import the reports or delete them completely or clone them. There's a lot of different options there. Also, if you go up one level to your partner level of the portal and click back into that customer, go to company management, users. You can click on the user that you've created. Click on this pencil over here on the right under settings, and you can choose the type of alerts you want to get. For example, if you want to get failure notifications, warning notifications, security incidents. There's much more information that you can receive. And that's it for the alerts part of the console.